been driving around for like 15 minutes trying to find parking or like park to just fly my drone. And oh, look at that, it's an ice cream van. Should I get it or not? If you live in the UK like me, especially near the airport, you know how hard it is just trying to find places to fly, man. Like, so I'll find a spot to fly my drone. It's a cricket club, and I don't know if it's busy. It's a lot of kids. Let's just see. It's fairly busy. There's a few people's over there and over there, but I'm just gonna find a bench like out of the way of everyone, and then yeah, fly my drone. I think I should go over there because there's not many people. Like literally it's empty. I just wanna literally what do you do? So I've got this like little spot here, like I can fly around, but can't seem to go out of, you know, because look, there's people everywhere. Look, I don't really know why they're walking towards me. I'm just sitting here, look. Literally, like I'm right here, chilling by myself, and there's just people keep walking up to me.